Let's go! Whoa! Hi! Whoa! Yeah! Woohoo!
Do you know what you need to do? First you need to wear a seatbelt. Your plushie wants to wear it too. Start the engine, go, go, go. Buckle up to hit the road. Buckle, buckle up, up, buckle up. Don't forget the safety rules, or it can be dangerous when you're in the car, in the car. When you are in the car, don't forget the safety rules. We are having fun, having fun. We're dancing in the sun, dancing in the sun. All we hear is squeaky sound, squeaky sound. Something's flying all around. Are those mosquitoes in the air? Ouch, ouch, ouch. Oh, it's so itchy. It's so itchy. I wanna scratch it. It's so itchy here and there, left and on my right. Oh, it's so itchy. Oh, so very itchy. We are playing in the room, We are playing here. Let us make some simple rules clear. Brush your teeth every day, do it carefully. Brush your teeth and then play when your teeth are clean. Brush your teeth every day, that is so easy. My white teeth smile to you, and your one smile to me.
Whoa!
Oh, how do I brush my teeth? Am I doing it right? Tell me, please.
Oh, wait a bit, my dear. Let us make some.
When we make a mess, dirty mess, yucky mess, these sex will come live with us. Roll just like it's dirty, roll just like it's smelly. Dirty, ooh, yucky. That is
Whoa!
why we should keep it clean, keep it
Hello.
clean. That is why we should
Wow!
keep it clean. Insects, stay away. It's not a place for you to stay.
It's so hard to put a window on my pretty princess tower.
Let's go!
Little fingers, time to show up. You can all work together and help me out. Family fingers helping each other is such a great team. We are all we need. Family fingers helping each other is such a great team. We are all we need.
Aha!
Slowly running on, makes me sneeze very loud. Stop! So yucky, sticky, gluey, and so creepy. Baby has some medicine. It will take the boogers away. Medicine is good for you when you're not feeling okay.
Alphabet. Whoa!
Yeah.
A.
Gully running out makes me sneeze
B.
very loud. Boogers are so yucky, sticky,
D.
gluey, and so creepy.
E.
I can see your tail, my little mermaid friend. Oh no, where have you gone? I can't find you
Flower.
anywhere. We lost our little mermaid friend.
Fairy
Maybe
tales.
she's in trouble and needs our help.
Mom!
Hurry up,
Mother.
we have to find her and make sure she's okay. Swimming with her tail, my little mermaid friend. Something took her away, a scary
no.
Banana, nana, nana. Hey,
Uh-huh.
monkey, here I come. Banana, banana, nana, nana. Banana, nana, nana. Hey, monkey, stomp the floor. Hey, monkey, monkey, give a banana to me. Hey, monkey, monkey, hey, yeah. Hey, monkey, monkey, give a banana to me. Hey, monkey, monkey, give a banana to me. Piro, rapiro, piro, piro, rapiro, piro, piro. Hey, monkey, here I come.
Whoa!
Piro, rapiro, piro, piro, rapiro, piro, piro. Hey, monkey, stomp the floor. Hey, monkey, monkey, give a banana.
I'm really hungry.
Hmm.
Is that cotton candy? It looks so tasty. I want to take a bite. My pretty doll, what do you taste like? Your toys are for fun and cheer. They are not good, my dear. Keep your toys away from your mouth, otherwise germs will
Wow.
appear. Never eat your toys, it's not safe. Never eat your toys, it's not safe. I am scared they will know I'm not there. I have a trick to show you. Don't be scared. Magic, magic,
One,
remote control. Can make as many you as you want. Magic, magic, remote control.
Wow!
Will trick everyone
Yeah.
you know.
1, 3, 4.
Go, go, go! Healthy, yummy snacks.